Shrimp fees. Problem statement. Shrimp fees cost account for as much as 60% of total farming costs. This has led farmers, particularly in Chengcheou province, to experience unnecessarily high production costs. Furthermore, there are particularly expensive ready-made feeds or imported feeds, impacting the competitiveness and sustainability of the Thai shrimp farming industry. Objectives 1. To develop shrimp feeds using coconut husk and water chestnut egg as primary raw material. 2. To reduce reliance on processed feeds and expensive imported raw materials. 3. To reduce the average cost of shrimp feeds by approximately 15 to 20%. 4. To add value to local raw material and promote sustainable resource management. Novelty or innovation. Combining coconut husk, a byproduct of the coconut oil and dessert industries, with duckweed, a high-protein aquatic plant as a primary raw material for low-cost shrimp feed production. This shrimp feed formula can replace more than 50% of commercial feed, a process never before systematically applied. Benefits to society. Reducing farming costs for farmers, increasing their income and competitiveness. Add value towards materials such as coconut husk, generating additional income for local communities. Reduce reliance on imported animal feed ingredients, enhancing local and national economic stability. Stimulate the development of innovative aquatic animal feeds that are environmentally and socially friendly. Business model canvas. 1. Customer segments. 2. Value propositions. 3. Channels. 4. Customer relationship. 5. Revenue stream. 6. Key resources. 7. Key activities. 8. Key partners. 9. Cost structure. Thank you.